Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, I'm Chantel and I post weekly travel videos and sometimes beauty related videos. So if you like that sort of content, make sure you give this video a like, subscribe to my channel and share with your friends. I'd appreciate it. Alright, so in today's video, we're gonna talk about how to plan a luxury vacation, but on a budget of course, because time hard, people don't really have it like that. But I mean, we want to go out, we want to explore, we want to have a jolly good time. So how can we plan a luxury vacation on a budget? Is it practical? I mean, is it, like, can it happen? Well, yes. Let me tell you that it can, with a few strategies in place. When planning any vacation or of any sort, you want to think about your budget. Like I'm always saying, don't put, like as we say in Jamaica, don't put your hat where and can't reach or something of the sort like that. So you just want to ensure that you have a budget. With every trip there has to be a budget. You need to know how much you're willing to spend. If you're not willing to spend so much, you can't like maximize, put a cap on your budget at like 300,000 Jamaican dollars, or for example 5,000 US dollars, because you really actually know you don't have it, right? So you don't want to put yourself in bankruptcy just to go on a luxury vacation. Alright, so I have some tips for you guys that you can use to build out your luxury vacation. And if you want us to help you with planning your luxury vacation on a budget, I have a travel agency that's called Uber Impressions Travel Concierge. So make sure that you guys reach out to me to plan any vacation you have. It's a business trip, a family trip, a cruise, etc. So let's dive in and talk about how to plan that luxury vacation on a budget. First thing, you're gonna want to use reward programs and points. So a lot of resorts offer resort credits. They offer like premium discounts. So if you're enrolled in their program, like Hilton has Hilton Honors, Marriott has a Marriott Bonvoy program. You can always use these loyalty reward programs to maximize on savings for your vacation, and you can have a luxury vacation with these amenities, of course. So that's one thing you're going to want to look into and see how many points you have. You can redeem your points for like nightly stays, airline credits. Oh yes, and you can also add, so if you're flying with Delta, American Airlines, Copa, etc., all of these airlines have points that they allot you, so you can book your flights with points and then you're good to go. So that's another tip, is to book in advance. So you want to book your trip like 6 months in advance so you can get some really good savings, So the earlier out you book your vacation, the more you'll save some little coins. So book in advance for sure, and ensure that it's refundable, because God forbid something goes wrong, you have to cancel the trip. You want to ensure that you reserve the booking that's refundable, so you don't lose out on anything. So that's another tip, is to book when there's a promotion. So a lot of times there are resorts or regular hotel discounts. So currently Sandals is having their winter blues sale. So this is the time when you would like to book your vacation for Sandals Resort. So you book now, travel later. That's a given. So you book your stay for Sandals Resorts using their winter blues promotion that's currently happening. And if you want us to assist you with booking your luxury vacation to the Sandals Resort, whether Jamaica, St. Vincent, it's opening in St. Vincent very soon. Anywhere, Royal Sandals, Royal Curacao, you can let us know and we can book your luxury vacation on a budget using their winter blues promotion that's currently happening right now. So that's another thing. Promotion. Sale. Book when there's a sale so you can Another thing is to set a budget. You have to set a budget. So ensure that your budget is realistic, ensure your budget is practical, and ensure your budget is affordable. So you know that you want to go on a luxury vacation. It's gonna cost a little bit more than booking like a bed and breakfast. So if you're gonna say, all right, usually I can spend like 1,000 US dollars or less for a nightly, for like a 3-day stay, but you want to go for a 5-day stay, you need to up that a little bit. And another thing you can do is to book packages, all-inclusive packages. There are times when resorts are having all-inclusive deals, for example Sandals and other resorts. So you can think about Royalton is a good brand. Rio always have packages available And with Rio hotels, you can, if you're staying at a Rio Palace, because you know there are various types of Rio hotels. So if you're staying at a Rio Palace, you can always go and visit other hotels in that category, in the Palace category. So you're staying here, like you're staying at X, you can go over to Y and Z and have a grand time each day, you know? So you can like maximize the vacation that way. So you're paying for one resort, but you can go out to other resorts. If you get over me. Grand Palladium has that as well. So play at one, stay at one, play at 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. So that's how you stretch your little money. With the all-inclusive package, you want to ensure that your all-inclusive package includes airfare, round-trip transportation, and accommodation. Because you don't want to be like, okay, so I have a flight, I have a trip planned, but yeah, it doesn't include flight. That doesn't make sense. So you want to ensure that it covers airfare, round-trip transportation to and from the hotel in the destination that you're going, and your duration for your stay. So with that now you can get savings deals. So that's where we as travel advisors or travel concierge comes in, because we get you that package and it's all inclusive and we know how to get everything included without you paying extra. We even book the tours for you. So if you want to do a tour on your luxury vacation, if it's a case that you don't want to just chill at the resort, we can book the tours for you, include the tours in the package. So there's nothing you'll be paying for. Only thing you'll be paying for is like probably like you need a meal when you're out, but everything will be booked for you. So that's how you do all inclusive. Excursions, flights, accommodation, transportation. That's the 4 things. Oh, last but not least, travel insurance. And I did a video about travel insurance, so if you haven't seen it yet, here's the link up top explaining why you'll need travel insurance and the benefits. So make sure you click. So let's move on to other things that we'll need to consider. So in terms of excursions or tours, alright, so you need to prioritize what you want to experience on your vacation. So you're doing a luxury vacation, you know, so you want to do something like a spa day, you want to do something, you know, like a nice little spa day, you chill at the spa, or you want to go to a beauty salon and get, a lot of resorts have the beauty salon there, but if the case there is not, you can also book that off property. And another thing, you can just go out to spend the day by yourself if you're doing a solo luxury vacation, etc. Or if you're traveling with your partner, do something nice and cute, like a nice catamaran cruise, do something sexy. So you think about what you want to do and make that a priority, and then anything else that you think you may want to do can always come after. So prioritize your experiences, because you don't want to be, you know, sad when you go home and say, okay, I booked a luxury vacation, but at the end of the day, I didn't get to experience what I wanted to experience at the destination or in that country. So, luxury vacation, rent a car. You'll save money that way, because if you're gonna request an Uber every time you want to step off the property, believe you me, every dollar I go rack up. Every single dollar I go count, and the amount of money you're going to spend on transportation, that could have rent your car for the entire duration of your stay. So you can rent a car from any car rental company if you're doing it on your own, or if you're doing it through me, I can provide car rentals for you. So that's something I do offer. If you want that to be added to your vacation package, that can be offered. It's optional, because a lot of persons prefer to use the Ubers or etc. But if that's what you need, let me know. I can add that for you. So save money. You're on a budget. You're not gonna be splurging and taking Ubers every time you want to go, because each time you leave and come back, you have to think about the fare where you're gonna pay if you go where you want to go, the fare where you're gonna pay from where you're there if you go back to your hotel. So when you think about that now, I will if I fear that and you're there on a budget, it's not practical. So rent a car and you just have to think about buying gas. That's the only thing, and you will save some money. Alright, if you need the prices for like how much a car rental is going to cost you, I can let you know. Just comment in the comment section and we will tell you how much that will cost. Another thing, guys, stop exchange money at the airport. It's too much. The exchange rate is ridiculous in these airports. Like a Jamaica we live, I mean, I tell you, exchange money at the little man them on the road. I mean, sometimes you may feel like it may be unsafe, but just change your money. People like them not gonna rob you. No. Just change your money at like some Chinese man or have some Chinese shop, or you know, any little corner shop where they exchange money, because if you're going to change it at the airport, it's going to cost you, and what you'll be the equivalent that you should be getting, you're not gonna get it. So it's like them are gonna thief you. So better you just change the money somewhere else and you get a better bang for your buck. And you can also consider Western Union, but Western Union and MoneyGram don't get the best rates. Better you just change your money on the black market and you will save more, your money stretch more. So that's how you do a luxury vacation on a budget. I mean, it doesn't need to be high up there, a budget high up there. It can be minimal and you still get the same experiences that you're looking for. And let's go through some destinations. Let's talk about some destinations that are luxurious. So, one of the top trending luxury destinations right now is Seychelles. So that's in Africa. So if you're thinking about doing a luxurious vacation for either you or your group or your partner, you and a partner, add Seychelles to your list because you can't go wrong with that. Next one is Maldives. Everybody been hearing about Maldives. Everybody want to go Maldives, and like there are so many Maldives dupes. So if you're interested in that, let me know and I can tell you these destinations that offers the same thing that Maldives offers. Alright, another luxurious destination is Bali. Everybody want to go Bali. If you could take a picture on the Bali swing, I mean, me want to do it too. But I mean, if you don't have the budget to go to Bali, find an alternative. However, Bali is a luxury destination and you can do Bali on a budget. We've been seeing videos, we've been seeing testimonials where people are spending like $30 a night at Bali for their stay. I mean, it's doable. Alright, Dubai. So you know, to go to Dubai, you need a budget up there. However, you can choose to do an Airbnb. So yes, it is a luxury destination. However, to make the money stretch, you're going to stay at an Airbnb, and these Airbnbs in Dubai, they offer everything that the hotels are offering. So like, why would you not? Mexico is on the list, South Africa is on the list, and of course, last but not least, St. Lucia. St. Lucia is such a gem in the Caribbean, and if you want to go to St. Lucia for a luxury vacation, it is recommended. It has the Jade Mountains that everybody's familiar with. So if you're doing a luxurious vacation, I mean, St. Lucia has to be on a bucket list. It has to. So think about these destinations. Think about how you can stretch your budget to visit and make it work for yourself, your partner, you and your spouse, your family, your kids, whichever. So let me know what you think about these suggestions, and let me know what you think about these suggestions, and if you have any recommendations, drop them in the comment section and I'll be willing to explore what you are saying and then respond to you guys. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it, comment, and yeah, I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching.